My baby was playing by herself, which usually means I have about 10 minutes. So, tonight, I made the kind of Korean dinner that doesn't ask for much. Rice, eggs, soy sauce, green onion, and a little quiet. This is not the Korean food people usually see in restaurants. No barbecue, no big table full of side dishes, no dramatic bubbling stew. Just a quick soy sauce egg fried rice, made in the middle of a very ordinary evening at home. But this is real Korean home food. The kind of food people actually make when they need something quick, warm, and filling. It's not fancy, but it knows exactly what it's supposed to do. First, I heat a deep wok pan over medium heat. I add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use whatever everyday oil you have at home. Soybean oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, or even olive oil if that's what you usually cook with. Then I add chopped green onion. In Korean home cooking, green onion is used all the time. It's simple, inexpensive, and powerful. When it meets hot oil, it gives the whole dish a savory smell before anything else even happens. Just let it sizzle gently. Don't burn it. We are making dinner, not a dramatic event. Next, 3 eggs. I scramble them directly in the pan. You don't need to make them perfect. Just cook them until they are softly set. Not too dry, not too runny. Eggs are generous like that. They make a very small meal feel more complete. Then I add rice. This is just 1 serving, enough for 1 quick dinner. For seasoning, I use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Soy sauce gives saltiness, color, and fragrance. Oyster sauce adds a deeper umami flavor. Together, they make the rice taste richer without needing many ingredients. If you prefer it less salty, start with less soy sauce and adjust at the end. Now, I turn the heat up and stir fry everything together. The rice slowly turns light brown as it absorbs the sauce. The eggs, green onion, and soy sauce all become one simple, savory thing. This smell is very familiar to me. It smells like a Korean kitchen on a normal evening. The smell of rice, eggs, green onion oil, and soy sauce getting hot together, it's so comforting. When the rice is evenly seasoned, I turn off the heat. And even though this is a quick meal, I still like to plate it properly. When I eat alone, especially when I'm busy. It's easy to treat myself like an afterthought. But a bowl, a spoon, and a quiet table can change the mood of dinner. A small plate, a clean table, maybe a textile I like. It's a tiny way of saying, "You worked hard today. Please sit down and eat." This dish is related to ganjang gyeran-bap, a simple Korean soy sauce egg rice that many Koreans grow up eating. Parents make it for children when there isn't much time. Students make it when they come home hungry. Adults make it when they are tired but still want something warm. It's not a perfect meal, but it is quick, filling, savory, and deeply comforting. I usually eat it with kimchi or pickled vegetables. Because the rice is salty and savory, something sour and crunchy on the side makes it much better. If you don't have kimchi, try cucumber pickles. It's not the most traditional choice, but it works, and I respect practical. This is the kind of Korean food I want to show more often. Not only the famous dishes, but the small meals people actually eat at home. It wasn't a beautiful dinner, but it was warm, fast, and mine. If you have a simple comfort meal from your home, tell me what it is. Thank you for having dinner with me. I'll be sharing more simple Korean meals people actually eat at home. If you'd like to come back for another quiet meal, please subscribe.